Kublepi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Mat bakong sam menta kasni kilong. Nang jan kisni bantay no ya kasurok armala na rilbong Shabarik Point. Kerpat uba Charles Mangar berkipat ba bangkintil PHC ya ka sub-center Maurong. Ujor ke HBDRF Khubor District West Jantia Hills halor ke Jingsha Bernyam. Ban Sam Scheme Penroy Shnong Kaput Meghalaya Assam uba Miribongsi. Bat mentang ini apai Shiki Khubor kiba kambanya. Kajing kmi lenti jeng kipat ba ka Jylla ban lat no nakadheng kali ka bajur kaba mat man kasngi nadu dang step hadu enda senyangan. Kala ban urlong lada penteri kam shisha ya ka surok armala nadu rilbong hadu barit point. Dangshen Menteri Rangba habakran bat kilat patai Khubor ulaya tu. Menta kadang yat kejing penkre ya ka detailed project report halor kani kejing temu. Kumta lakmi lenti baya ka DPR nagabenta kani ka surok armala an sedang teno hakini ki khendiat banai banwan. Menteri Rangba ulaya tu ru ladap ru banya merjing mut bat Khubor Shipai Defense Ministry ki badon ha Shillong nagabenta ka jing mentoy jong upat ba. Khubor Shipai kila menjur bat kloy ban ai ka jing kershan bat jing trai lang ha kani ka jing thmu ulaong.
So the DPR is ready. The DPR is now ready the concept is ready and the basic study has been done. DPR is being prepared now. We expect that the DPR should be finally submitted by within 2, 3, 4 months time. I mean NHEDICL will be in a better position, and at the same time, as I said, we hope that the tendering also for this elevated road, as we call it, should be ready by December. So we are hoping that within this financial year we should be able to start the work for this elevated road. Meetings have already been held with the Defense Ministry, with the officials here in Shillong, and they have been very clear to us that when it comes for public convenience and when it comes to public interest as a whole, the Defense Ministry will be very happy to cooperate. They have certain rules which they have in place in terms of the defense rules which are applicable throughout the country. Barring those rules, they cannot compromise on. The rest of the areas, wherever they can be supportive, wherever they can give us space, the Defense Ministry has been very clear that they'll be very happy to cooperate. And we have had specific discussions about this particular road from the Rilbong Museum Point all the way to Barik, and the GOC and other officials from the army were very, very happy to be part of that and take this forward. So we do expect good response and proper cooperation from all stakeholders.
Uba Charles Mangar MLA na mau hati rengkat kipat ba hagajing kendu lang bat uba prestun tensong sembut Menteri Rangba kila kerpat ya kesorkar Jylla bat ya tenat kekuat kekia ban kentiu no ya ka Maurong Health Sub Center syaka kerdan PHC namar kajing Roy State bat kajing bun kinong shim dawai hakane kejaka sumar. Kumba kalong menta ka Health Sub Center ha Maurong kamla syu ban ai ki jing syakri ya ki pat ba ha ka rukom ka babiang na ka jing bun ki long ying long sem ki ba wan shim dawai bat pha sumar ya ki ba pang ha ka ne ka sub center bun ki long keme ki ba armet khamtam ki tu ki ba wan na ki shnong ba khampaji ki akendu jing ban yo jing sumar ha ka por ka babiang namar ki hab ban up pun kenta ban yo ya ki jing don kam jongki. Uba Charles Mangar bat kinong yalam shnong kila kerpat jur nakasorkar ban penklan susu ya kilat sumar sukher ya kiba pang kiba armet da kaba penhe ya kani ka sub center syaka kerdan PHC naga benta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ki padba kani ka than
to menalsi bagalian jong nga kumu lokal MLA jong ka mau di konsumsi dekat bat ki sinjuk rambak shnong jongki khatlai election ki badon hakani ka surok Maurong lawan bani kendo ya deputy chief minister jongi sabrustun temsong ki jingwan jongi bani kendo bani basni kalong ha halor ka health sector kata kepada bat ban upgradation yang ke sub center maurong syak PNC. Tekumbalong matang itu ipi midon akli ke sub center. Hang surok maurong kawai ke sub center ketika jamanar sub center. Bat kawai pat ke sub center ketika maurong sub center. Dia kawai ke sub center kedan ke population masalah jantam bat kawai ke sub center ke adan ke population kumba nriwa jantam. Dia bangi total ke ketika population kalau boleh kumba kat arah jari. Dia ladangi baik ya ke distance ke kilometer ke jengjengan nampak ke musning si shadow sama orang kalau dan makan nyo kilometer. Dia kan ikal abu ke jengnya iki baik-baik nak senang ke jong ini harga baik dia pakai koi kaya kamtam kerpang nak minta ke armet di balik berkakun hospital. Ladangi baik ya kilong kemi ke jong isun bagi jengjengai ke distance. Nak terkadau menaga sini awan ini dan kebang hadir menyelak dan penyesyong meniperkat dekat sejuk kira masyarakat banuan berkerpat syah bersorka lembang Deputy Chief Minister Jylliew Sabtu ban upgrade not ya ke maurong sub center syah ke PNC kena kalian jongi ngilak berkena dong sedang kalian juga donbosco maurong ngilak ban ai ke jaka ke pabrik ke pabiang ban agreement ban ke sorka kena kalian jongi abu ke cekerpat ai te ke persultanat kalau bal nak kalian jongi Deputy Chief Minister Jylliew ila perpau ya ke sokya no kan ila perpau bagi semua langsung dari syahima in upgrade not ya ketika sub center PHC de nak kalian jongi ai ko play ila ai ko boring but ni so komen nak bagi yo positive response nak kalian ke jongi bat nak kalian jongi ila ai ke jengkulan in ya grand bat ketika department concern ban penkret dia hadu menang amla mano kumno 4% kan rai na kejing kan bat ini sungtu bah kedon genenti bah kedon kejing kan ban upgrade ya ketika sub center syak ke PNC yang Shillong tak ketika kejing kelucu.
Kinoyalam Kahnyotra Border Disputed Redressal Forum HBDRF kila ud bat ujor shaki bor Sanchar District Deputy Commissioner but Superintendent of Police West Jylliew Hills halor kajing sya berngam arngut ki khasi penar ki basyong basa ha block 1 ha ki breu ki bakam yaladi baki dei kinongyalam bat ki dekhot jangka Karbi Students Association KSA. Kini ki breu ka KSA kila berngam ki arngut ki khasi penar bakim dei bandan benta AA bat ki seng bhalang ki ba na Meghalaya namar ki dei kinong shong shnong jangka Karbi Anglong District ki bahap ha Assam. Kila mahamru yaki bandum shimbenta AA bat ki program jangka HBDRF. Kinong yalam ke HBDRF kila ujor yakini ki jing berngam shaw DC bat SP West Jylliew Hills haka khatway tarik Jylliew hajowai.
Menta kasmi bangi ki pai kasi penar ni day be bat penpau pada kalian jungi kum ko forum na kalian jungaru ngan ombe ya ke government ya ki parlok sing bhalang baro bangi day ke por yangi bengin ya teli ban ya renti no ya ke bandawai ke hoki breu jungi habang ong kum ne ngamut bengin ya dengin ya white leningin ya thau ki no kucing klurman ban mi kata ke huri hura nani kata ke jing siap harjai breu na marbal leiba ngilangi ate give gijing yalang ru lek tu lek ri yo lap tau karbi yo tip tau karbi ar gijing yalang lai gijing yalang sa gijing yalang ru kumta habawan mengki seneru kumju belek mengi seteru kumju hatu ngi kasi penar gim don hok ngem de ginong India amde mengi don gaju constitution I kumbat de tang kita ki karbi gibade gibriu mangingi de gikseu mangingi de gimarat de tang maki gibadon ka hok hakata kritis charge ngor India hatu ngi ngem don hok ngaya gane ngakran ka basai de na mar kata ba ide penduk no ya kane mesim kejing kemensim kejing kim jing mut kejungi kejing septeng kejungi hadal de ka por yangi bangin kran bet ya ka hok kejing sisa ayu ka ba ngi ide ben kran bara ke cukup por ngin sa area kejing thok jaga government ha ke cukup por chau DC jong West Jylliew bakin khot penlong no kejing yalang ngin ai kejing thok bakin khot penlong no kejing yalang ha kejing don lang ba ki board administration West Karbi Anglong mar West Jylliew DC bat SP jong West Karbi Anglong mar West Jylliew bar ha ke kejing yalang yin kan tu yaki board district ban khot bat kitu ki stakeholder ne kitu depan jung snong ke badon situ yaki wehe snong yaki raba snong yaki kambora ne ke pat kan huncai benriu yaki nong yalam sing balang bat ye gitu ki pai ba ke besyong ke basa ha ke ni ke jaka ke basai ni kan rum ram bat makiki kar biru kin cranback hawashit basai ke bagiran manong mangi khasi penaro ngin cranback direct ha ke basit basai ayu nginan manong ai ba ki bor sarkar pat kin tiara kam ke cuk chongsai na kan benta ban penkut no ya kan jing syak maham ya kan jing syak penting pen smith ki beri ujungi ki basyong ke basa sikit tan marku malong benta mo ki pun ba ki jing dia tambah ngimpat syom la report mending kan direct isar di SP ro Henry kanik report ke bangi ai ke kalong ke bakham jinwin mar bala keren dau ni de kini orang ba mar ba uni wa kostiran se ude we uri ba pa khmat chite pada ke juko por nge jing tiba ude u sharman jong toga so cheng amreng border area development committee te ba keren da kum gini gibri ur penting bisbe chi gibri ujuni ide bersim khia ke yo bakan ji apat ke ke ba smeu su gibri ujuni yebran chite
Uba Mirbons im MLA Nongpo bat uba Balajit Rani MDC Barim haka khatway tarik Jylliew kila sam jingerap balamang nakapla pisa State Border Area Development Program Shahnyau tili Kishnong kibadan hakaput Meghalaya Assam Kishnong kibalayo jingerap pisa mar lailak tengka kaway hakane kasi kilong Kashnong paham jri Jowe Belkuri Khulya Rong Saheb Rong Thalu bat Kashnong khuswai Kijing thumu jo kani ka scheme kilong ban pen bahaya ki madan ya lekai ha kishnong ki thau ban pen bahaya ki kamra school ban ki community hall dala ki jong ki kti uba mirabon ula let pen khamti ya kani ka scheme sha kini kishnong ki bala priang sngo bha daga jing sngo ngu ya ki mati jong u
Mada sngi nga kumu emle ngla yo alat ban let ha ki new to li kishnong ha ka be ban pendep ban ai ya ki pokoda ki badai lang ba jog interstate border area development program ka ba ka total baro kalong ba ar poi lak ti ka bukan thup ya ki jingarap hakin new to li snong ka bukan thup na do snong jowe ka snong pam jiri ka snong belkuri ka snong khulya ka snong rong sahab ka snong khuswai ba ka snong rong thelu kini gidi kisnong ki bengila yo ban ai ki jingerap mendag segi kumong long ipi ka total amount barok gede arpu wila ha ka bengila sam gila baha kini kisnong kat kum ki jing don kam ki baki ki don kam ki school don ki community hall ki don ki passenger shed ki don ki ka renovation ki school renovation kini ki jingking ki ban cross chapo asam bat kam ta ter te kane kalong si benta ban pentikna ba ka scheme ka bedai na kam ta ki pai ba kadi ban poi syaki pai ba ban ba pelut ile ka por ban irung haman lagi senong ban ye kendu ye kenong senong ban suthu ye jing jing ki syaki border ban ha ju ka por ban ai kini ki jing harap na ka benta jong kini ki kampen roy ki bakite ban pendep hapo jong kini ki senong ke badan hapo ke border bat ka asam mar bakum bangila ban suthu kanong po konosi kaya share la kumno om duna ya ka sau pusan adu san ko kilometer border bat ka ki district ki badan cepo ke Jylla Assam kadang-kadang mi ku am pentikna kan bengila banyo ya kening jembang penmang pisa lang ba jong ka ISBADP bangitip kum interstate border area development program ina pendep mendag singi bedah gini singi banwan ru inang yo ban lek sekiwi di kisnong banang pendep baki saki arlai tili face kenang bukan long jing mentoy ya ki pek ba bang kentiu ya ki nong song snong gi bi ya ki border bakin pentri hok kam kin le bah na ka benta ki por banwan badru nglayo alat ru bandrung aka ai ki snong gi prepare ban yo sngo ya kini ki jing don kam ki jung ki rangi scam kan long jing mon toy nang tong pai ba ku pun ba
Ka State Bank of India SBI nongpo haka khat artarik Jylliew kala penlong ka program Agri Loans Awareness Week hasnong nonggagang marngar ribhoi district. Kajing thmu jong kani ka program kalong ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot kinong rep lengba ka rep karyang haki than nong kandong. Ha ka ju ka por ban hikaya kinong rep shaphang kajing penthamai ya ki kot kisla ki bayadei bat ki bank haka por ka babiang. Ha kani ka program labatai ru ya kinong rep ban yo ya ki jingerap bat jingkershan na ki skim babonjat jaka sarkar Jylla bat sarkar India. Ha kani ka program lawan ban batai bat pensyai ha kinong rep da Nikhil Singh, Chief Manager State Bank of India Nongpo branch, u Abhijit Datta, Regional Manager SBI Shillong Region bat Samir Kant Jha, Deputy General Manager SBI Shillong. Daki spangur kinong rep bat ki Samla na kisnong ka than marngar kilawan ban shimpenta hakani ka program.
Ready. Okay, so we at State Bank of India Nongpo branch today organized Kisan awareness meet. There were around 50 to 60 farmers who attended the meet, and we discussed about agriculture loans like KCC renewals, which is how important it is for the farmers to help them grow. And we also discussed about SHGs, how they can form SHGs, how they can take loans for SHG from the bank, and we also discussed about the account opening part. So this is how we discussed in this Kisan Agri Loan meet. And we also gave away around 20 sanctioning letters to KCC borrowers, and one SHG group was given sanction letter today. And from in and around our Rumling block, all the villages came here.
Arpo artli kisnong nakathan sentu mau bat do kha haribhoi district. Rengkat badu MLA kanong po ba Miribon Sim bat MLA Mauhati ba Charles Marngar kilalet ban kendo ya usembut menteri rang ba ka Jylla ba Preston Tensong ban kerpat na kabenta ban penyo no da ka surok ka ban penyeso ya kanong po bat Mauhati kenang ban pensuk ya kalet kawan jeng kipai ba nong song snong. Habakran berkilar pathai Khubor, uba Miribon Sim bat ba Charles Marngar kiraya thu. Ha kani kejingya kendo layo ya ka Khubor bas ngautenat na usembut menteri rang ba.
and especially to all the headmen of the concerned villages, which include of 22 villages. Our concern is that to bring the connectivity closer to people, where we had an opportunity to meet today and to raise the concern and the issues based on the needs and requirements of the people at large. And the Joint Action Committee has submitted the memorandum recommended by us as concerned representative from Nongpo and Mauhati constituency. And we are happy that the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Road, he has listened very keenly and has assured the delegation that it will be taken up immediately at the earliest. We have discussed thoroughly the ways and means, and we hopeful that it will be included in the PMGSY4 in the current financial year. So I hope that this will be beneficial for the people at large, especially for the patient, especially for the traders, especially for any people, farmer, to reach out to the concerned market, especially for the people of Mauhati and Soliran area and Mautari area. They can travel to the district headquarters Nongpo via Umden. It will be a great help to each and every citizen of this particular village.
Badak itu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kapakot tarhado banginda ya siyambiang Khublay Shibun.